disclaimer, this video is not a tutorial, but I am going to show you guys my process and some time-lapse videos of how I made an Elsa and Anna inspired costume for my niece. So let's just get right to the video. Hey guys, so it is 22 minutes past midnight and I'm still out here trying to make a pattern using my niece's dress so I could make a Frozen 2 inspired outfit for her. And I'm saying inspired because it is just inspired because I really can't replicate that stuff. Okay, so now I have my top part pattern and I'm just going to cut out the pieces from these scrap fabrics that I have from last semester when I took up a class in clothing technology. So let's go do that. Okay, so I now have all 6 pieces for my top part, and it's kind of so messy. Anyway, so I already have all 6 pieces for the top part, and now I am going to go to sleep and get some energy and wait for my little monsters to sleep tomorrow night so I could return to making this project. Okay, so it's 4:45 p.m. and everyone is either away, asleep, or busy with their lives. So I have the chance to work on my project even when there's still daylight. Yay! So I'm just going to try to make a pattern for the skirt today. So because I'm working with scraps, the pattern of the skirt is like this. And then I just have to fold it so that I could fit the pattern in the fabric scraps. And that means there's going to be panels for the skirt. And that means I'm just going to have to rotate the pattern to fit the fabric. And this is where I apologize to my clothing technology professor. I am so sorry, Miss Kitty, that I am not going to be following the grain of the fabric. So anyway, I'm gonna try to make this work. All of my pieces for the Anna side are complete, so now I am going to start cutting for the Elsa side. I now have all of my pieces ready right here, so I'm going to try to start stitching these pieces together when I have the chance, and I don't know when that is. So it has been 3 days since I last worked on this project and I am sick right now, but I'm going to power through this because I'm going home in a few days. I have to get this done so I could give it to my niece. I'm gonna start sewing. I just have to set this whole thing up. I am finally done stitching all the pieces of side A and side B together, so now I just have to stitch both of these sides together. Okay, so part of Elsa's costume is like this cape-like thing that flows behind her back, so I made accessories. Yes? Usap kami.
Bakit ganda? Dress ako.
So this is going to be accessories.
Hi.
I actually have a love-hate relationship with my output because it was a very complicated project and I don't know why I put myself through that whole thing, but I was able to enjoy the experience and it was a great learning experience because I learned that tough and hard fabrics shouldn't be matched with very silky ones because it's hard to sew them together, and a lot of other things. I learned a lot of other things and I hope to be able to apply those learnings in my future projects. So without further ado, here is another video of my niece singing to a Frozen song.